So now the first mile in the forest going up, it's over. So now we're gonna do proper ridge walking. And the first thing is this trail, because of that ridge. And probably behind that peak, eventually gonna get into that ridge, keep going that way, that way, that way, that way, until the top. Actually, I'm not at the ridge yet. That is the ridge. Okay, I can see people coming down. I just ran into some people coming down, so they probably were here to see the sun rise up on the mountain. I think I'm about to get on the main ridge. You see there's a little bit of dust because of forest fires coming from Idaho. But I don't care. This view is amazing. I think over there is Yellowstone Lake? I don't know. We'll see from the top. So that was the sketchiest part. You can see you go up and down, very narrow, very windy. You need to use your hands to support yourself because, don't be stupid. And I made it to the top. This is the best views. I think that's Yellowstone Lake. Look at all these mountains. Now you're gonna just see now when you get to the top. This is amazing. I can't stop taking video. This is too beautiful. See, that's where I came from. This is amazing. You see, there's some social trail there. I'm tempted to take it. We'll see. Look at this. This is the best views in Yellowstone, period. And this is 360-degree from the hump. Gonna be checky because I don't want to lose my footing. Look at this. Shelter before the final ridge line. So now you can see on the left of the mountain. So here we go. This is amazing. That's the hump. That's the scary part. Look, so many mountains. You can see there a couple of social trails. Not sure where they go. And now I'm leaving. So now you're gonna see the top of the mountain again. And then both sides. You're gonna see the part that for people that have fear of heights, that's it. You see that lady That's very exposed, so you need to do it carefully and slowly. You can see the road. I wonder if there is hidden valley. So now you can see the top of the mountain where those people